So we are getting ready to go Model Y first test ride. Just waiting on them. We got the matte black door handles. Thank you.
At least. But
You can
good.
see,
it's great to see so many
here.
Tesla fans who are so happy about seeing our new products.
It's amazing. Hi.
You can do it.
How's it going?
Very well. You?
Not too bad.
Excellent. You guys excited to be in Model Y?
Absolutely.
Of course. We're gonna get some shots of the back seats here.
All right.
Hopefully you don't mind.
No, go for it. So a couple things you might notice are really similar to Model 3
Sorry.
here. You've got the Model 3 instrument panel in front of us, so it's the same center display for Model 3, same steering wheel, same center console. Surprisingly, the seats up here are also from Model 3.
Oh, nice.
Sitting up on a riser.
Same with the rear seats that we're sitting in?
No.
Oh, those are special. Okay.
Those are special, yeah. But the higher seating position just gives you a little better vantage point, makes it a little bit easier to get in and out of the car.
Yep.
And then this is the
Ooh.
long-range dual motor variant.
Whee! Nice. So does this share the same motors and everything as 3?
Same battery, same motors,
Okay.
subframes, yeah. Definitely a derivative product.
Same tight turn radius.
Same
Love
size
it.
radius, exactly. Short steering ratio. And then also really flat handling. And we get this because we have such a low center of gravity. So having the highest concentration of mass below us allows us to better optimize the suspension for ride handling. That's just part of the Tesla DNA now. You always expect that acceleration, you expect that no roll when you're doing a slalom like that. And then if you have a look up above you as well, definitely worth taking note of the giant piece of glass above you. So just like the Model X windshield, Model S panoramic roof, and then the Model 3 backlight, we're able to make a really big piece of glass that protects you from the sun during the day, but also allows you to take a look at the night sky at night.
Do you mind hitting that right there? The little coat hook?
Oh, it's fake.
Oh, bum.
Non-operational
Okay.
on this one.
Well, in the future, there'll be coat hooks right there.
Great, thank you. If you wouldn't mind
Awesome.
exiting to your left, please.
Thank you.
All right, thanks very much. Hope you get
So
out
there's-
there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for riding, guys. Sarah, you can have it. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about Model Y. Are you guys interested in buying that? I don't know. It's been a heck of an event. A very fun night. I'm starting to lose my voice if I haven't already. It's pretty bad, but got to meet so many cool people. Thank you all who came up, wanted to take photos. Thank you so much for your support, watching the channel, everything. And thanks to all the other YouTubers we saw. It's great seeing you guys. And lastly, thank you to Tesla for actually giving people the opportunity to check these out. It was a blast. I'll have a full review coming tomorrow on my exact thoughts on Model Y and a bunch of other details tomorrow. It'll actually be up probably about 12 hours. Maybe that's ambitious. I don't know, I'll get it up as soon as I can. But I wanted to get this up because a lot of you were actually interested in the rear seats of the Model Y. That 7-seat option, very curious. Luckily I brought my light so we were able to check that out. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the first test ride in the Model Y. It was a blast. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you haven't, so that way you can be notified when that goes live. Huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model SX or Model 3, definitely check out their website. It's all linked down below, and using code TESLAINVENTORY will get you 15% off your first order. But yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you did. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.